You can absolutely lose money silver stacking. Not because silver is bad, but because people come into this wrong. After my last video on fractional gold and silver, I've had a lot of people asking where do I start? So in this video, I'm going to give you the 10 silver stacking commandments. Not theory, not hype, just the rules that separate the people that quietly build the wealth and the ones who look back in 5 years and realise they got it wrong. And trust me, if you ignore these, you will pay for it. Hi, if you are new to the channel, my name's Matt, aka Silverpunk, and I've been in the antiques and precious metal space for the last 3 decades. So I've seen the odd price fluctuation and trends come and go. So let's get straight into the video and look at commandment number 1. Thou shalt understand premiums. Now this is the biggest mistake beginners make. They think silver is silver and the price is the price, but it's not. You're giving the spot price and then you've got the price you actually pay, and there's a gap in between. Now that gap's the premium, and people lose money without even realising it, because if you're going to overpay on these premiums, you're already starting from behind. You're not getting ahead. Thou shalt not stack tiny fractional silver if weight stacking. And yeah, this links back to my last video, because this is what catches many people out of, as I've explained before. They look cool, it feels accessible, but the premiums are just brutal. You're paying more per gram and for the same metal, and over the long time, over a long period, it just adds up, and it adds up massively. You just lose money. Thou shalt stack consistently, not emotionally. Most people don't have a strategy. They just buy when they feel like it, or when the price is starting to go high and they get a bit of FOMO. But that's backwards thinking. People that win at this, they have a strategy, they have a plan, and they stick to it. They just keep on stacking, month after month, no drama, just keep going regardless of what the spot price is doing. Thou shalt think long term. If you're getting into silver and thinking, I'm going to buy this, then flip it in 3, 4, 6 months' time, you're just going to get frustrated. That isn't the game. This is patience, this is discipline, this is years. You need to look at it as a long-term investment. This is going to take years and years and years, and you just leave it to stack up over time, and that's when you'll feel the benefit. Thou shalt know thy stack. Because not everybody's doing this for the same reasons. Some people want security, some people are looking to gain wealth, some just love the metal and they just want to own it. And for me, there's the art side to it as well, because as some of you will know, I'm a silver pourer and I make silver art out of obviously silver. But if you don't know the reason why you're stacking, you'll just drift along and you probably, more than likely, make some mistakes. And when things get uncertain, you'll just make bad decisions. You've got to have a strategy and you've got to know why you're stacking. Thou shalt not panic sell, because this is where most people lose. The price will go up or the price will dip and the fear starts to kick in. They'll sell at the worst possible time and then they'll start to see it recover a little bit later. That's one decision that can wipe out years of progress. You just got to be patient and don't panic sell. Thou shalt buy recognisable silver. Because when it comes time to sell, liquidity, it really matters. People trust what they know. So if you've been stacking Britannias, Eagles, Maples, they'll sell really quickly, they'll move. But unknown stuff, it's going to be a bit more difficult to sell. And you've got to be careful what you stack when you weight stacking, because you've got to think of your exit plan. So buy recognisable silver if you weight stacking. Thou shalt store it properly. Now this isn't about the stacking, this is about protecting it. It's about not damaging your silver and making sure you store it right, because you're going to be holding it, if you do this properly, for quite a few years. So you don't want any loss, and you definitely don't want to be scrambling about looking for it. So you need it somewhere safe, somewhere secure, and you need it in something that you know it's going to stay right and not get damaged. Thou shalt learn before you go big. Don't come into this and drop thousands straight away in your first week or two of stacking. Learn the market, understand how the premiums work, watch how things move, because early mistakes can be very costly. And 9 times out of 10, they're the most expensive ones, so learn before you go big. And finally, thou shalt play the long game, because the people who win at this weight stacking thing, they aren't the smartest, they aren't the luckiest, they're just the ones who stayed in the game long enough. They kept stacking, they kept it boring, and when nothing was happening, nobody else cared, they just kept on doing it week after week, month after month, year after year, using the fundamentals of weight stacking which I touched on in this video. Now, if you follow these commandments, you put yourself ahead of most people already. If you ignore them, you'll probably learn the hard way, and that's cool because experience works as well. But if you're just starting out, you're in the best position of all, because you can get this right from the very beginning, from day one.